Slutty, West, going. Hey man, we got that boy Rich the Kid, Kodak Black, Rain Snow. Before we get in there, bit, make sure you subscribe, like, not able to do too much talking, let's just get into it. In me.
Rain, snow, rain, still snow. I'm in the night, but I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope. Rain, roll, chains on me glow. I'm in the list, I had to go out and hit and make some dough. Rain, snow, rain, still snow. I'm in the night, but I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope. Rain, roll, chains on me glow. I'm in the list, I had to go out and hit and make some dough. I used to trip in the rain. I got my wrist on snow. I got your bitch on go. I was just jigging finesse and folk. Now I'm walking around in a Louis coat. Look right, I made it the lamb. I got them both. But was y'all out ain't have hope? Call a flap again, pull up with his scope. I was popping pills till I couldn't cope. Niggas hating on me, said I wasn't dope. Now I got a Rolls Royce umbrella for rain. Got 100 racks up just for the pig. I got this shit out the mud. Till I ran into the plug. Now I had the mouth blow, hold up. Baby fake, they don't never show no love. We the real zombies. This was the problem is here.
Hey, they be hard. They be hard as hell, boy. They be 2 hard, they be 3 hard, they be 5 hard, they be 10 hard. Like, this like the hardest Rich the Kid song I done heard. Blood walk. I don't need no harder with my blood talk. And then, like, I don't even listen to Rich the Kid like that, but they be just hard. It's straight. Like, him and Kodak, they compliment each other so well, like peanut butter and jelly. Man, the last time I heard their ass on a song, the plug, I was jigging, finessing and flexing. Then I ran to the plug. I remember that song. That shit came out like 9th grade or something, like 2015 when I was in 9th grade when I was a young nigga. Like, damn near 10 years ago. Oh my mama, that shit long as hell, boy. I didn't even know that was that long. Damn. Time be going by fast as hell, boy. I'm good.
My first car was a Maserati. Shit on nigga, that porta potty. Rain, snow, rain, still snow. I'm in the night, but I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope. Rain, roll, chains on me glow. I'm in the list, I had to go out and hit and make some dough. Rain, snow, rain, still snow. I'm in the night, but I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope. Rain, roll, chains on me glow. I'm in the list, I had to go out and hit and make some dough. It's that Kodak pop, yeah, I beat the pot out on the floor. This that soda pop, nigga, I blew off shaking up the coat. I remember when I almost gave up on the floor. I was busting scam, making way more money than a show. I was 14, hitting new jacket, calling up and bold. I went MIA, but please don't get confused, I'm from the north. I'm a brave nigga, somebody come identify your folks. I'm a little paid nigga, I swear you losing sleep about a whole shit. If we talk this bitch a punk.
Damn, them girls so bad. I'm on one with them all bad as hell. Damn, they all bad.
Ain't losing sleep.
I want to kiss all of them. They so beautiful. I'll marry all of them, boy. I ain't gonna lie. I might got to get a girl from goddamn out the country. Like, I'm gonna need me some foreign shit. These American girls, like, they're not good people. Like, they good, but it's just like, I'm gonna need me some foreign shit who gonna appreciate me, who gonna please me, who gonna cook for me, clean for me, do everything for me. These hoes don't wanna do nothing but beg. Like, saying, like, these hoes, like, just wanna look good for Instagram. These hoes just wanna take pictures and look good and beg for money and goddamn, bro, what's up with these females, bro? Like, y'all look good and shit like that, but y'all good people? Like, yeah, some of them good people, but I don't know, time. I be on social media and I be like, what's up with y'all? Y'all is not demure. I like demure girls. I like good girls. I like girls that go to school, that got down, focus on the plan, on the mission, on the goals and shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I be seeing them, but I don't know if they don't be fucking with me or what. But, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I'm going to give me somebody who fuck me for me and who appreciate me. So, saying, because I'm the prize. Y'all the prize too, but don't get it fucked up. I'm the prize too. You know what I'm saying? I'm him. You know, I'm that nigga. Fuck you talking about?
Let me talk this bitch a pump. Let me talk you like a pump. She keep me sloppy like a joke. Get me sloppy like a joke. I'm grinding by my mama door. selling cocaine, weed, and pills. Keep a ball behind the stove. Keep some snipers ready to kill. Rain, snow, rain, still snow. I'm in a nice store, I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope. Rain, roll, chains on me glow. I'm in the list, I had to go out and hit to make some dough. Rain, slow, rain, still snow. I'm in a nice store, I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope. Rain, roll, chains on me glow. I'm in the list, I had to go out and hit to make some dough.
I ain't gonna lie, this like the hardest video I done seen in a minute. Like, it's like the video fire, the song fire, everything about this shit fire. Feel me? Anyway, I feel that bit 2 hard, 3 hard, 5 hard, 10 hard. Anyway, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah.